31 lunang machine dito ay ginagamit ang 7 days a week na may total na 186 meters. Ito ang aming printer head. Capping. Head clean. Bonus wiper after head clean. After check. Ink system level ay tama lang. Waste lang kayo nalinis kanina. Ito naman ang AVR at ground wire. Narito ang stock namin ng CMYK at white, powder solution at film. CMYK namin ay tama lang. Kulang kami ng magenta at ng powder pero nakapag-request na rin po. Gamit kami ng white ink, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, film, powder at green solution. Ito naman ang aming daily output at daily checklist. Salamat.